welcome to the online viewing for 133 Old Saints Road. This is a substantial semi-detached property, very sought after location. And moving into the property where we have this lovely long hallway. And then the first reception room here on the left hand side. A great sized room with the bay window there facing towards the front aspect. And around to reception room 2. Again, lovely fireplace, and from here we've got double doors leading out to the garden. And further along the hallway, where we've got a turning staircase leading up to the first floor, built-in cabinet, door leading to outside, and then a door to the pantry. And we can just look back down the hallway. And round to the dining kitchen, which has 2 lovely bay windows to the side. So lots of natural light coming through into this room. We also have an integrated dishwasher. Okay, then moving on to the first floor landing. Again, nice spacious part of the property. We have 3 bedrooms and a bathroom on this floor, and then stairs leading up to the top floor. So the first bedroom here, having the bay window facing towards the front of the house. A great sized room, lovely fireplace. And then coming around, and we have the ensuite shower room, and the fully tiled shower cubicle. To the middle bedroom. Again, really good size. Having an aspect to the rear. Stepping down to the back of the house, where we have the bathroom first. Nice roll top bath. And then the back bedroom. the fireplace. And then a view across the garden. And on to the top floor where we have a further bedroom and shower room. So this bedroom facing towards the front of the house and through to the shower room, great size with toilet, wash basin and a fully tiled shower. A couple of Velux windows as well. Okay, then coming outside into the rear garden, nice lawned area leading down to a further flagged patio. And we can also see the side of the property. There's a gravel pathway with gated access back to the front of the house. And then we have the patio area. Just looking back at the property. That concludes the online viewing. If you'd like to arrange a physical viewing, please call us as soon as you can. Thanks very much. Bye for now.